Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to drive manual transmission vehicle. It is really not hard to learn how to drive manual stick. It just takes some time and practice to drive like a pro. The difference between standard transmission and automatic transmission is that with standard transmission you have clutch pedal, which you'll have to use when you are switching gears. The most common manual transmission vehicles come with either 5 gears or 6 gears with reverse gear. The one that I'm sitting in right now, this vehicle has 5 gears and reverse. So first I'm gonna show you how to start manual transmission vehicle. You will have to put the key into ignition. Then you will have to step on your far left pedal, which is clutch, and the brake pedal, which is the pedal in the middle. Now you're gonna switch to the gear selector and you wanna make sure your gear selector is in neutral position. So neutral position is right in the middle when your shifter is loose. So it's not in any gear like first, second, third, fourth, fifth or reverse. It needs to be right in the middle and you are able to wiggle it like that. Now at this point, like I said, I have my foot on the clutch brake. My shifter is in neutral, handbrake is on, and now you're gonna start the vehicle as you would start any vehicle. Okay, now the vehicle is started, and at this point you can remove your clutch and the brake. And now to start driving, you will have to select the first gear. So on the shifter it is nicely shown the position of the gears. So if you wanna move this vehicle now, we will have to start with selecting a first gear. So how we gonna do that? First things first, you will have to step on your clutch pedal, your brake pedal, then I'm gonna release the handbrake. And now I'm gonna select the first gear. So first gear is far left and up. Now the gear selector is in the first gear. I'm still holding my clutch and the brake. So I'm gonna slowly release the clutch pedal, but very slowly. And once when you notice that vehicle starts moving, you will simultaneously have to press a little bit of gas. So we're gonna see that. I'm gonna try to show you that vehicle moves. So as I'm releasing the clutch pedal slowly, vehicle starts moving and I'm adding a gas. And now we are driving into the first gear. So that's the first step. And now I'm gonna show you the whole process. I'm gonna go through all these gears while I'm driving. So currently I am on the road close to the public, just so I can show you the complete shifting through all these gears. So like I said, we're gonna start with pressing the clutch pedal, pressing the brake pedal, releasing the handbrake. I'm gonna move my foot from the brake pedal while still pressing the clutch pedal, selecting the first gear, and now I'm gonna be slowly releasing the clutch. The vehicle starts moving and I'm gonna press a gas. So now it starts moving. Now I'm gonna release the clutch completely, press the clutch again, select second gear, releasing the clutch slowly, giving it a gas, let off the gas pedal, pressing the clutch, selecting third gear, releasing the clutch slowly, pressing a gas pedal. I'm giving it more gas, letting off the gas pedal, pressing the clutch, selecting fourth gear, releasing the clutch, pressing the gas pedal. And the last step is gonna be fifth gear, letting go of the gas pedal, pressing the clutch, selecting fifth gear, releasing the clutch and give it a gas slowly. So all this you need to do nicely and simultaneously. Releasing the clutch and give it the gas pedal. Now we are in 5th gear and we are driving. And now I'm gonna be going through all the gears again, but I'm gonna be showing you my footwork. So basically I'm gonna show you how does clutch and gas pedal works. So I'm gonna start. I selected the 1st gear now, and as you can see, I'm gonna be releasing clutch slowly and giving it a gas. Releasing the clutch completely, letting go of gas, pressing the clutch. I've selected 2nd gear. Again, releasing the clutch slowly all the way, pressing the gas, let go of gas, pressing the clutch, selecting 3rd gear. So 3rd gear, selecting 4th gear, and selecting 5th gear. And now we are driving in the 5th gear. When you want to reverse, it's the same process. You will have to press the clutch, release the brake pedal, select reverse gear, which on this shifter is far right, and pull it down. And now we're gonna do the same. I'm gonna be releasing the clutch slowly until the vehicle starts moving and giving it a gas. And now I'm moving into the reverse. And the last thing I'm gonna show you is how to stop your vehicle if you drive manual transmission. So I'm just gonna start moving. So basically when you're stopping, I just wanna speed up a little bit. So when you're stopping, you can either put your transmission in neutral and then press the brake pedal and slowly stop like that. So I'm gonna make a full stop. So again, making sure that the shifter is in neutral. I can let go of the clutch and brake and pull the handbrake. And now you can turn off the vehicle. You can also fully stop by downshifting. So basically I'm gonna start again to drive. So basically how that works, I'm gonna quickly go to, let's say, 3rd gear. And now if you wanna be stopping, slowing down with the downshifting, also press the clutch, select the lower gear, but also press the brake pedal. So now I downshifted to 2nd, and now I don't even have to shift in the 1st. I almost fully stopped. Like I said, again, the shifter is in neutral position. Now you can let go of the clutch, pull the handbrake on, let go of the brake pedal, and now you're fully stopped. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.